G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a head of a Dyson big ball vacuum cleaner. This one apparently is losing a bit of a suction on it. Now we do have a bit of horizontal movement here, which may lose some power. You can see it's pushing out over here. But what I'm suspecting is I'm just going to open it up to do a bit of maintenance on it. I'm using a T10 head screw to be able to get into there. And I'm pretty sure we should only need to take off a few of these to be able to see the majority of it. So I'll start with down here. One. So what I'm expecting to find is just a build-up of hair, dirt and dust on the mechanisms on the side that spin up the tumbler over here. I'm not sure if that is its technical name, but that is the name that I'm going to go with for the purpose of this video. Take that one out, and this one out. I'm pretty sure from here, if memory serves me correct, that this should be able to come off. A little bit more work. Proceed and take off these other ones. Now, typically you can just take out this with a flathead screwdriver and just clear up the hair that normally catches in the corners, which I will demonstrate that just in a sec. There we go. Still doesn't want to quite leave. There we go. Move that off to the side. There we go. It's been through some water or some mud, or something to get it to build up like that. Not overly delicious, but we'll give it a clean. Next up, get the side off here. So most large flathead screwdrivers should get in there just fine. There we go. It's released it. Hair. And there. Take out the tumbler. I'm expecting to see a bit of a build up in there, or this to be worn down. On the inside of it, does look to be a little bit dirty. Mostly okay. But typically what I expect to see is a build up of hair in here and on the edge over here. As you see, the rubber bits definitely get worn off over time, a bit of the bristles. Now, so remember how this bit comes off now. Just bypass it. So far all the screw heads have been identical, which do make this a bit simpler. Okay, now we're making traction. So hopefully now this lifts off. See a bit more there. Not quite what I was anticipating. I was expecting a fair bit more. I'll take it off down here. Have a look at the cog and the belt down there just to see what condition that is in. I actually made that one slightly smaller. So we'll try a T8. Yep, T8 fits that one just fine. There we go. So that one is different to the rest, hopefully. See any more screws there? No hidden. That's a bit more force. That's looking okay. I was expecting to see this full of cat hair and fur, which I have experienced on my own personal one. But right now, it does look to be fine. Next up, I'll pop this off. Take a look there. Let's see what we see. It's also looking pretty fine. So from here, I'm going to give this a bit of a dust blower. And granted, not too much is probably going to come off there, but that should at least help it a bit. So during the clean out, I found some hair stuck in here. So I'm going to dig a little bit further. Hopefully be able to clear that out of there. As it does seem to be rather tight moving it around. Hoping I can undo it and move it out. So this is using the T8 screw. Hopefully we'll push that back. Yep. And a bit more crap has fallen out. Should let things get turned around in the right spot. One spring. Annoyingly enough, looks like this part is stuck together. So the build-up it's got inside I can't actually get to. Let's hope I can push that out of there. Looked to be the case. I'd say the spring would leave here. Zoom in. Yeah, I feel like that should be able to move faster than what it does right now. A whole bunch of hair stopping it. Can't see it on this side though. I mean, not a lot that I can do with that. I feel like it's freed it up a little bit, not a huge amount. Now the attempt of getting it all back together. Hopefully we can just line it up and feed it back in. Go. Turn that to the right orientation. Try and keep it on there as well. Go. Try and get that spring back in. Go, spring back in. Returning. Yes. Let's get this back together. Two. Still turning just fine. Yep. And T8 back here. Now we should be back to T10, I think that was, yes. Feed that in there and proceed. I think I've jumped the gun and put a few too many on. Yes, yes I have. Now we'll put this on. Okay. This one on the rear. Clicking slowly. One, two. There we go, one at the front. And we got a little cover over here that just pushes it in. like so. Feed this back in. And cover back on. So that is how to get a part here to service most of the things you'll need on the Dyson big ball head attachment. Hope that helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.